Now that we've finished installing our sink rail and our cove piece here in the back, we're going to use our profiles along with these inside sink corners, and we're going to create a tiled under sink. And we're going to install all this at the same time that we install our tiles.
It's important to do this while the thin set is still workable to square up the installation and to ensure the top of the profile and the top of the tile are flush with each other. Always check the tile layout before actually installing the tiles. After figuring our tile layout, we mark for our first cut around the sink, allowing room for the profiles. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply unmodified thin set mortar over the Ditra, come back over with more thin set and comb it out evenly. Back buttering the tiles is good practice because it will improve the bond and coverage. Apply unmodified thin set mortar to the area where the profiles for the tiled undersink will be installed. Push the sink corner connectors into the profile. Firmly press the profile into the thin set. Repeat this process with the adjacent profile. Using a margin trowel, fill the back of the sink corners. Install the corners over the connectors and align, making sure to remove any excess thin set with a sponge. Repeat around the entire sink. By using profiles, we now can choose from today's vast selection of tile shapes, sizes, textures, and colors without having to consider the availability of trim pieces. Trowel additional thin set mortar over the anchoring legs of the profile. Set the tile around the sink. Remove any excess thin set from the face of the profile. Cut the tile for the face of the sink rail. Apply thin set mortar to the back of the tile and press into the profile. Use a spare piece of tile to make sure the pieces are flush with the profile. Install the remaining tile. These profiles are available in a variety of materials, colors, and finishes, including stainless steel. It's a good idea to use a movement profile against the cabinets and any other restraining surface the tile is installed against. The movement profiles will absorb movement and can eliminate problems such as cracked grout joints. We measured and cut the movement profile to fit underneath the cabinets. Trowel unmodified thin set to the area where the movement profile will be installed. Apply Schluter Curdy Fix, silicone or similar to the dovetail cavity of the profile and set it directly under the cabinets. Take additional thin set mortar and trowel over the anchoring leg using the flat side of the trowel. Now we are going to use a finishing profile to finish the edge of the backsplash tile. Measure and cut the finishing profile for the backsplash. Using thin set mortar, fill the end of the profile and install the outside corner piece. Trowel unmodified thin set mortar to the area where the profile will be installed. Press the profile into the thin set and flatten the thin set over the anchoring leg of the profile. Install your backsplash tile up to the movement profiles and finishing profiles. In some cases, you may need to butter the edge of the tile where it will be placed over the anchoring leg. This will allow the tile and the profile to be flush. We chose our profiles according to the thickness of the tile we used.